Jack Dorsey Square purchases $50 million worth of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy CEO says publicly traded firm has bought another $175 million in Bitcoin to total $425 million. Stone Ridge Holdings Group has announced Tuesday that Bitcoin would serve as a primary treasury reserve asset and had purchased more than 10,000 Bitcoin worth over $100 million. Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video. I want to go over a lazy man strategy to become rich in crypto. Literally, if you do this one thing, you are going to build yourself a massive nest egg, and it requires literally no work. So stick around to the end of the video. Something that is starting to catch on trend. I'm really excited about this because, as you know, I have a long history with Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. If you don't know my history, maybe I might do that in another video. But I live and breathe crypto, and the king of the mountain is Bitcoin, and I absolutely love Bitcoin. So when I see this type of news, it's music to my ears, and I think the inevitability is coming. During the week, we saw Jack Dorsey's Square purchase $50 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, $50 million mightn't seem much, but it was enough to move the needle. Good to see that more Wall Street money is coming into Bitcoin. We also saw MicroStrategy, a publicly traded business intelligence firm. MicroStrategy indicated in a regulatory filing that it might expand its Bitcoin holdings. The firm's CEO confirmed that it has done just that. In a Tuesday morning tweet, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said that the firm had bought another 16,796 BTC, adding to the 21,454 it purchased earlier this summer, totaling $425 million. As reported on Monday, MicroStrategy said in September the 14th filing to the Security and Exchange Commission that Bitcoin serves as a company's primary treasury reserve asset on an ongoing basis, subject to the market conditions and anticipated needs of the business for cash assets, including future potential share repurchase activity. The firm has previously positioned its Bitcoin purchase as a hedge against inflation. You better believe it. The US dollar's not getting any stronger. And here is the latest acquisition of Bitcoin. A list of firms purchasing Bitcoin on their balance sheet continues to grow. The largest addition is the $10 billion asset manager Stone Ridge Holdings Group, which announced Tuesday that Bitcoin would serve as a primary treasury reserve asset. According to the press release, the firm said that it purchased more than 10,000 Bitcoin worth over $100 million as a part of its treasury strategy. The purchase was facilitated by NYDIG, a subsidiary of Stone Ridge. The news follows primary announcements by Jack Dorsey Square, a Virginia-based company, MicroStrategy, which both acquired Bitcoin as a part of their respective treasury strategies, according to Stone Ridge. It made the purchase as a hedge against the potential macro drawbacks of the recent monetary policy by central bankers. Let's go to the chart here. Let's go to Bitcoin. So what does all this mean? This means that if you're in the crypto space, this is music to your ears. This is absolutely great news. Could we see $100,000 Bitcoin soon? Well, in my opinion, we are going to see it at some point in the future. When? To be honest, I like to see it sooner than later, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter when we see it. What matters is we see $100,000 Bitcoin, and it's going to be very exciting. I mean, if you take into account how much Bitcoin there is, how much Bitcoin is to be mined, how much Bitcoin is actually lost, and how much Bitcoin is lost every year, the actual circulating supply is diminishing. through stupidity of people losing Bitcoin and just the mining that is happening. The next halving we're going to see in 2024. It's very exciting times, and I think we'll see $100,000 Bitcoin sooner than we think. We could see it in 2021. We just don't know. Right now, Bitcoin is hovering at about 11,432. But like anything, right? Once these big hedge funds start making money, and we see this huge spike in Bitcoin, and once the word gets around on Wall Street, the gains that they make, that they could potentially make with Bitcoin, we will see a flood, a herd, just flock to Bitcoin and putting their billions of dollars, trillions of dollars that is available into cryptocurrency. Bitcoin cryptocurrency only represents a very small part of all the assets out there. Bitcoin is only a very small part. So if we see there's money coming into crypto, like there's literally trillions of dollars out there. I think it's going to be very exciting over the next 12 to 24 months. And who knows? John McAfee, he probably won't have to go on national television and eat his member like he said he would. Or he'll probably be doing it from a jail cell. So things are looking up, guys.
Okay, guys, thanks for sticking to the end. The lazy man strategy is a very simple, but it's a very powerful strategy. And it's just saving your crypto and doing it on a schedule and sticking to the schedule. However, most of us can't stick to schedules, and we can't go into our exchanges and buy our Bitcoin, buy our crypto, and put it into our wallet. It's too exhausting. It's too much work. So what we do is we do dollar cost averaging, and we stick to a set schedule. Usually it can be weekly or bi-weekly or monthly. And what will happen is you will buy Bitcoin through your credit card, and it'll go into your Bitcoin wallet. And then you transfer that Bitcoin or Ethereum to a cold wallet later. And before you couldn't do this, but now you can do this through a feature on Coinbase. There are a couple of other platforms, but Coinbase seems to be the most well-known one. And Coinbase has a feature. You just log into Coinbase and you'll see it on the right-hand side, and it's a reoccurring. And what they'll do is you just set what you want, how much you're to be charged on your debit card or credit card, and Coinbase will automatically charge that card and then convert it to Bitcoin and put it into your Coinbase account automatically. You don't even have to worry about it. And generally what I say to people is just commit to something small first, like maybe 5% of your income, $20, $30, $40, $50. Start off with that a month, or even fortnightly, or even a week, and just see how that goes. Because I promise you this, the Bitcoin that you buy today is going to be worth a lot of money in the future, and you don't have to worry about it. It's all hands-free. It'll just be automatically debited. You can set it in your Coinbase account, and then you can move it to like a Ledger or a Trezor later. But that's the power of dollar cost averaging, and also using that feature in Coinbase. So if you haven't got a Coinbase account, there'll be a link below. You can open up a Coinbase account and also receive some free crypto as well. If not, just go to coinbase.com, open up yourself an account, and check out that reoccurring feature, and it's going to be a game changer for you for your future.
Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification button for our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.